Welcome to How to Have Fun Cruising with Alice and Tommy T, your cruise channel, folks. That's right, we're on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas, and for all of you that book on this cruise ship, most of you are going to get a balcony room. So today, we've got a short, quick video to highlight the balcony room on the Allure of the Seas. Please subscribe, hit that like button so we can get this video out to everyone. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, and website, How to Have Fun Cruising, and you are going to love this channel. Definitely subscribe. It would mean so much to us, and you're going to love Alice's walkthrough of all these different rooms on all these different ships. And she loves to cruise, and you're going to get to see some great shore excursions, tip videos, room walkthroughs, spa walkthroughs, you name it, we've got it. So please subscribe. You're going to have a great time. So I hope you're ready. Let's get going. And before we do so, definitely check out some of our latest videos. How about the Bermuda Triangle? That's right, 27-foot waves we got caught up into, and that was an amazing video if you've ever wanted to see rough seas with a big ship. Also, how about all of our Crystal Cave tours in Bermuda and other shore excursions? We've got this one in St. Martin, but right now we're going to go ahead and get started with this room with Alice here on the beautiful Allure of the Seas. And boy, did they have a great crew of people, and we had a great time on this cruise. So let's get started now. Right, here we are. Are you excited?
Yes, welcome to the Allure of the Sea, Royal Caribbean cruise ship. And today we are actually showing you our room, and believe it or not, we are on the 14th floor.
14th floor, I think that's
amazing.
a first. Wow,
Yeah,
way up high. That is awesome.
Yeah, for sure is my highest level so far. As soon as you come in the stateroom, on your left there is the bathroom.
Okay.
And look at, guys, it's extremely spacious bathroom. There is a huge mirror that I love a lot of cabinets, and both up here and down under the sink. The toilet has a lot of space, so if you sit over it, you can actually have a space for two people, no problem.
No problem there.
And in addition to that, you also have a very nice shower. There is the hard closure that I love better than the curtain.
Yeah.
And you can come in and look, you can dance around. There is plenty of space. Actually, if you really want, you can have a kid with you or somebody else also taking a shower with you for how big this shower is.
Okay, very good.
Nice.
Excellent. Real
All
nice.
right, so closing here, we go back in our room. And in addition to the big mirror that you have in the bathroom, there is also a full person mirror here, and that is extremely great because when you are dressing up, you really want to see how you are looking. Then here you have plenty of cabinetry space, a lot of hanging, that is great because we have a lot of dresses, and then the space also on the bottom and also for your shirt and t-shirts. A nice locker in case you have something very, very valuable. And then here some extra space for books or what else?
Magazines, all kinds of good stuff.
Exactly.
Right.
The bed, as always, I always think that the beds in the cruise ship, they are the most comfortable ones. Probably because I sleep like 12 hours every time, but this looks very comfy, so I'm really excited. Then we have what I call the dinette, or like dining area, and here you have a nice sofa that has a nice TV in front of you, a nice table if you want to sip your coffee, and then another big mirror. But I love that this room has so many mirrors. I love mirrors, so that's great. And then here you have a nice refrigerator for your cool stuff. And then some nice drawing for extra material. And look at here, this is something that I've never seen before. You have some extra storage space also on the side. So this room has a lot of storage, and you know how picky I am on storage. I love storage. I want everything to be hidden somewhere, like really hidden. So I like that.
All right, look at this. Balcony room, 14th floor. This looks really nice. Big open window, right?
Really nice big window. So to open the door and then come outside, you have this first lock here. And then, believe it or not, to open it, is the opposite of what you think. You go up, and then you actually roll the window.
Okay.
And the balcony is pretty big, nice space, nice chairs, a nice table, and you can look outside.
Wow, pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Wow.
But overall, a really nice room. I had a high expectation, and obviously they didn't let me down. This is a really nice room for this trip.
You ready to go sail?
Yes, I am. Come on.
Let's go do it.
What am
Fort
I
Lauderdale
waiting
to
for?
the Caribbean. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, as you can see, it's a great room, and we really enjoyed the balcony. We really enjoyed the Allure of the Seas. It's a fantastic cruise ship. I think you will really love it. Definitely check out our full walkthrough video on this cruise ship. It is fantastic. We also have tip videos on this cruise ship. But overall, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Cruising.